Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about the Accenture recruitment process. So let's start with our video. So first I will explain you in short how will be the whole process. So first in Accenture you have to give a online test. Once you clear that online test, then you have to give a technical round, and once the technical round is cleared, then you have to give the HR round, and after that your offer letter will be released from the Accenture. So this is in short. Let's start the video in detail. So first you will receive a mail from Accenture for your online assessment test. So there all the instructions are given, like how you can access that step and what are the instructions you have to follow during the test. So this test will be of 40 minutes, and important instructions are like you have to enable your web camera during the test, and web camera and microphone. You cannot disable your web camera because whole test will be monitored from the Accenture person. You cannot mute yourself. When you are giving the online test, you have to carry your ID proof. It will be this one, passport or PAN card or driving license or voter ID, because before the test someone from Accenture will connect with you on web camera and they will ask you to show your identity proof, this is passport, PAN card, and driving license, whatever you have. So just keep that documents with you while giving this test. Okay, so once this test is done, same day you will receive your result, and they will schedule your technical interview. So for the technical interview, you will receive a mail like this. So the subject line is your digital interview at Accenture is scheduled. And here once you are done with your technical round, then you will receive a mail from Accenture. The subject line is Accenture recruitment status. You have made it to the human resources interview at Accenture. It means you have cleared your technical round and now you will be giving a HR round. Okay, so here they have mentioned, congratulations, you have cleared the previous round of assessment. Please look out for a communication from us to discuss a next step, and keep yourself available on the contact information shared with us. Means when you have applied to the Accenture, that time whatever contact detail you have given, on that number you will receive a call from the Accenture team for the HR discussion. So this is the mail. Once you clear your technical round, and then you will receive a call from the Accenture for the HR round. So in the same mail they have mentioned what are the required documents. So just you have to prepare these documents. So what are the documents? First is PAN card, then photo identity proof, then copy of one of the following. Means you have to keep at least the passport. If you don't have the passport, then you can keep your driving license or voter ID. Then you have to be ready with all your educational documents, because that is required. Then employment documents. If you are experienced person, then you have to keep your employment document, previous company experience letter, etc. Then letter of authorization. So these are the list of the documents which you have to ready with. Then you will receive one separate mail as well from the Accenture for the documents. There they have mentioned the same documents. So these are the documents you can see here. This one, PAN card, photo identity proof, education documents. So these are the same documents. You have to just log into this link, and you can upload these documents. And once you are done with all upload of the documents, then you will receive a offer letter from the Accenture, and the subject line for that mail will be congrats, offer from Accenture. Okay, so here you will be receive, you will be getting one link So you have to log into that link. Then you can see your offer letter there on Accenture portal itself, and from that you can read your offer letter, and then you can accept or reject the offer. So in Accenture, you will be getting a 7 days of time to think about your to take your decision if you want to accept the offer or reject the offer. Once you accept the offer or reject the offer, you will receive a notification mail thank you for your response. So that you can miss this is the confirmation is Accenture received the response from you. Okay, so that's it about the Accenture recruitment process. How they will be giving the online assessment test, and after that when they will release the offer later. So all the information I have covered in short in this video. So if you have any further queries, you can mention in comment section. I will try to resolve your queries. Thank you for watching my video. If you have anyone who want to join the Accenture or who have applied for some position and they are in between recruitment process, you can share this video with them so that they can find it useful. And you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I will upload such kind of videos, you will be getting the notifications. Thank you.